In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find draft posts on LinkedIn. If you have ever started writing a post on LinkedIn and found yourself needing more time to perfect it, knowing how to locate and work with draft posts can be a real lifesaver. So let us walk through this simple process together, step by step, to help you save time and effort. First things first, let us ensure you are on the right page. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to LinkedIn by typing LinkedIn. Come into your address bar. Once you land on the LinkedIn homepage, you will need to log into your account. Depending on your preference, you can sign in using Google or Microsoft accounts, which helps keep your accounts conveniently connected. If you prefer the traditional route, just enter your email address and password. Both methods will direct you to your LinkedIn feed. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might be prompted to enter a code sent to your registered phone number, offering an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Now that you are logged in, let us head to the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you will notice the Start a Post option prominently displayed. Click on it to begin composing your post. This space is your digital canvas, ready for your creativity, insights, and updates. As you start typing, you might find that you are not quite finished, or perhaps you need additional resources to enhance your post. If that is the case, simply click the X to close the window. Do not worry, this action will trigger a message from LinkedIn asking if you would like to save your post as a draft. This feature is incredibly handy for refining your message over time without the pressure of completing it all in one go. Once you are ready to revisit your draft, just click Start a Post again on your homepage. If you have only one draft saved, it will conveniently appear right there, awaiting your return. It is a straightforward way to ensure your drafts stay accessible and manageable, allowing you to focus on creating engaging content without the fear of losing any progress. The draft feature on LinkedIn is one of the simple yet effective tools that make the platform a powerhouse for professional networking and content creation. Remember, utilizing drafts is a great strategy to maintain flexibility in your posting schedule and ensure your content is polished before sharing it with your network. If you have multiple drafts saved, LinkedIn will guide you through selecting the one you want to continue working on, ensuring a seamless process. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to finding and managing your draft posts on LinkedIn.